If you guys want to know how to achieve this corporate makeup look in under 5 minutes, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, my name is Muskan and I'm a professional makeup artist, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do your corporate makeup look with the most minimal makeup products and which is super quick. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So we are going to start off with the moisturizer. The one I'm using is by Earth Rhythm. It's the oil-free one. Even the ceramide one is pretty nice for dry skin. This is good for oily skin. It is really lightweight, doesn't feel heavy on the skin, and that's why I really like it. Remember, whether you do anything else or not, you need to moisturize your face and apply some sunscreen so that everything looks, your skin looks moisturized and well awake. After applying a moisturizer, go with the sunscreen. Again, I'm using the one by Earth Rhythm. You can also opt for a tinted sunscreen, so you don't have to apply some coverage afterwards. But I don't like to mix my skincare and makeup more, so I like to apply a sunscreen generously, and then I like to go on with the concealer. And over that I like to apply a concealer only on the areas where I think I need it, not all over the face, because a foundation, if you apply, it can look quite heavy. Instead, just a concealer will do the trick, will not feel heavy on the skin, and you'll get the coverage that you're looking for. Now as you can see, just with applying concealer, it has given my face a good coverage. Okay, I will be setting it now with a loose powder. You can also opt for a compact, but I just feel that loose powder is much more long lasting and I need it in this hot and humid climate. So it's your choice, you can opt for either one, but if you want a more long lasting effect, go for a loose powder. Now I don't like to apply too many powder products because they will likely not last long without a base. Now we don't have a full base, we just have some concealer and powder. So what I like to use are cream products, plus also they give me a more youthful glowy look. So that's why I also like to use them. Now if you have been following me for a while, you would know that I love applying a lipstick as a cream blush. Today I'll be using this shade from Nykaa. Okay, so I'll just be using my hands and to do that. See, so pigmented. Okay, now once that is done, I like to apply some highlighter. I'll be using this one from Colourpop in the shade Wisp. You can also go from some other highlighter, whichever one you're comfortable with. Applying these two things brings back so much more light back to my face, and it looks so much more awake than before. So after doing that, I'll be just setting my eyebrows in place because I will not have the time in a hurry to actually shape them and everything. So I just like to set them with a brow gel. Brow gel to set my eyebrows in place because you may not always have the time to fill them in, but just setting them in place will make you look more put together. I will be applying an eyeliner. You can apply any eyeliner you're comfortable applying, okay, but I'll be using the Nykaa gel one and a brush from Pac called 121. Now I've applied my eyeliner. You should ideally skip this step if you are in a hurry, but if you have the time, go ahead and do it. You can also apply a kajal. I would say avoid a mascara because throughout the day it can be that you are touching your face, so you will be touching your eyes. It's a good chance. So skipping a mascara is a better option because it may move or it may make your eyes look a bit black. So don't go for a mascara. I would say just skip it. Now lastly, I'll be just applying some lipstick and then you'll be good to go. since it's office, go for a nude lipstick, not for a bright one. The one I have used is from Nykaa. It's called Wakeup Makeup. It's a pretty popular shade. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video because it was very simple and quick. You can do this in literally 5 minutes and get out the door. It makes you look so much more put together and brings back some life into your face. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, at the end of each video, since you guys know, I give a bonus tip. So the bonus tip I would like to give today is that whenever you're doing makeup for your corporate look, you are going to be wearing it all day long. So please only use products which are comfortable wearing. Don't do any experiments on after going to the office, because it could be that it may lead to some kind of a failure, and then all day long you will be getting irritated because of that. So any experiments for new products, do it on your weekends. Don't do it on your corporate days, and keep the look as minimal as possible. So yeah, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked today's video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me over on Instagram. I post a lot over there as well. So yeah, till next time, bye bye.